English is my favorite language, favorite subject. I like English. That's why.
Okay, so actually, it is very important, as you said, that when you went there,
Yeah.
at that time, you could not understand them.
Yes,
And
yes.
if somebody has the knowledge of this language, at that time, he can talk to all the people, whether they are
Yeah.
from our own country or they are from out of the out of our country.
Yeah. So
Right.
you are a foreigner teacher. Am I right?
No, no, I
So
said I have learned those things from foreign teachers.
foreign teachers learn from them.
Yes.
Okay. So this time, what are you doing now?
At the time, actually, there was some work that was left, and at this time, I'm completing that. And after that, I have to teach the students.
Okay, you teach some students.
Yeah,
Okay, which subject do you teach
English,
from which students? Okay, which student from which class to which class? May I
English.
know?
How to speak English, spoken English? Do you know?
Okay,
Yeah, there is a channel of mine. There is my channel where I upload some videos too related to these things: how to understand foreigners, how to speak like Americans, Britishers.
okay,
All
okay. That's nice.
that.
So, have you given any competitive examination?
No, no, actually, I'm not interested in that.
I think you are elder than, very elder than. So, may I know about your age? Actually, it doesn't matter, but only uh, I want to know.
Actually, I did not want to go in competition. Rather, I was thinking about teaching this English. That's why I was preparing everything, like grammar, lit-
Do you know
literature.
English all grammar?
What?
Do you know English all grammar concept?
Grammar?
Yeah, English grammar concept. About English grammar concept, do you know?
What do you mean by this?
I am saying you know English grammar very well
English
or not?
grammar,
Yeah,
like tense, passive voice, narration, synthesis, syntax, transformation, all these things.
yeah, yeah. A little bit I also know
Yeah.
because yeah.
No, actually, we have read these books many times.
Okay.
Yeah. So, do you have any friend who speaks English?
No, only a Skype app.
Only
I don't
Skype.
have any friends for speaking. Yeah, only a Skype app, just like you. There
When
are
did you
many students. What?
when did you start learning it?
When did you?
When did you start learning English?
Okay. Actually, I have started before 7 to 8 months, but I I did not regular. I from 2 days this time from 2 days I have started for learning this language.
Oh,
Yeah.
and in 2 days you are speaking so well English. This much good English.
Yeah, basic grammar rules has to have to all tense, all passive, active, passive. Yeah, I know grammar rules, but English, I don't speak English fluently. It's
No,
my problem.
actually, for the fluency, if somebody wants to become fluent, for that it is important to do the practice. It should be,
Yes.
yeah, it should be practiced daily,
Yeah,
whatever it is.
it's language. If
Only at that.
anyone wants to any language, if anyone wants to any language, speaking and listening is very most important. So I want to ask you one thing. According to you, which part of most important for speaking any language? Listening, writing, speaking, and according to you, which part of the most important?
All these things are important if we say normally. But as for speaking, the most important thing, as long as I can think, is speaking. Until you start speaking, you cannot speak it. It doesn't matter how much knowledgeable you are,
Yes,
right?
yes,
And you'd have seen this thing that even in village areas or rural areas, there are many students and even teachers who have good knowledge of all the rules of English, grammar. After that, they cannot speak even a single sentence of English.
yes, yes, yes.
You
Yeah,
know,
I am agree with you.
because they do not practice, they have not spoken, they do not like speaking. That's why.
Yeah, I have also faced this problem. Whenever I was in village, yeah, I used to teach some students. That's why I have faced that this problem.
Okay, you have taught some students.
Yeah, I have created a YouTube channel. I have also a YouTube channel. My YouTube
Okay,
channel is English Practice with Mohan. I am also learner students. That's why I put that name. That name. Please practice with Mohan.
brother, can you understand foreigners?
What?
Can you understand foreigners, the people who
No,
come from foreign?
no. This time I am unable to speak all sentence and understanding all sentence. Yeah.
Okay, no, I thought that maybe you can understand foreigners whenever they speak, like Elon Musk or Zuckerberg, Mark Zuckerberg.
Yeah. One day I will try for understanding. But this time I speak basic English because I am learner student. That's why
Yeah, yeah. For the
I will.
learners, it is important to start speaking in our accent, Indian accent.
Yes, yes. Yeah.
Learning all these things like British and American English, all these things are in advanced English, we can say.
Yes, yes. Indian English is uh, Indian English is understanding very well all students more than British accent.
Yeah,
I
yeah. Actually, we live in our country, that's why we can understand everyone.
uh,
Actually, you know why I learned these accents? I thought that most of the people from our country cannot understand them, right?
yes, yes. Yeah.
Yeah, I learned these things, so at least I will be able to tell them in which way they speak. It is not important for us to speak in different accents, like British or American or Cockney, Pause, in some other accents, but at least we should understand what they are saying,
Yes, yes. Yeah.
right?
Yes. So I wanted to ask you something, but I forget.
Okay,
Okay.
okay, you can ask whatever you want.
Yeah. Uh, I remember. Okay. Ask me. I am free for telling you. Whenever I remember, so I ask you. I
Okay,
will
okay.
ask you.
With how many people have you talked
So
till now?
how many people I talk? Okay, I talked. Yeah, I think I said to you from 2 days. I
Oh,
am speaking. Only you are third people. I,
okay.
yeah, I used to speak before 7 months, 6 to 7 months. But this time nowadays, you are third people.
Okay, okay. It means you joined this Skype app 3 days ago, right?
Yes, yes. No, before. I joined before 7 to 8 months, but I don't have time. That's why I can say this. It's my excuses. excuses. Yeah. But
Okay.
I
And It is the best platform for the students to learn English, to speak English.
Yes. Yeah. Yeah. It's very useful for every learners.
Otherwise, it is very tough to find the partner with whom we can talk.
Yeah, you are here, you are there, and I am here. It's very interesting. It's very useful for every students, every learners. We
Yeah.
can.
And maybe if there are some people or students who can speak English, they live around us, but they also do not speak English because they cannot find some partners. As we are in search of partners, they are also searching partners, but neither they know about us, nor we know about them that they can speak English.
Yeah. So, how long have you been learning English? Because you speak very well. So,
What is
how long have you been learning? How long have you been learning English language?
for the last 6 years,
Last 6 years.
I started
Okay.
practicing speaking it.
Yeah. This time you are able to speak all sentence correctly.
Yeah, almost I can say. I'm not actually, no one is perfect in this world. So I'm not saying this thing that I can translate
Yeah,
all the.
I can imagine. Okay. Yeah, I can understand.
Yeah. And even I think that, since we are in this field, so we should try to know about all the rules of English, whether it is related to spoken English, competitive English, or, you know, English literature. That is a different thing. I do not know
Yeah.
whether you know that thing or not. English
Yeah.
literature. It is taught in
Listen.
MA, Masters of Arts.
Okay.
Yeah.
What's your qualification? You are what did you say? What's your qualification?
MA English.
MA English. Okay.
Yeah.
Nice. So what's your goal? Because you are English literature. So what is your future plan?
Future
Do
plan.
you have
Yeah, I would like to become an English trainer. The person who trains the people for speaking English.
okay? Yeah. mm, okay.
What do you think about becoming in future?
Your
No, no.
uh,
What do you want to become in future?
okay. Uh, this time I don't know. Yeah,
Oh,
if possible. Because at this time I am in the Chennai. I am uh, doing a job. That's why I don't have time for studying. This that's why I can say you I don't have any goal. But in future it will be happen if possible. If God wills, I want to become a teacher of only English for a spoken English because villager students don't speak English. That's why I want to learn English, and one day I will try to teach some students. That's why. Yeah, if possible, I want to become a teacher. Finally, I can say.
English teacher.
Yeah, but I don't know this time about English, but I will try. It's my goal.
Yeah, yeah. You can become that. You can do that, of course. Actually, in the village, it is very tough for speaking English, right?
Yeah.
Because there
In,
is no environment, there is no person with whom we can practice.
yes, there are no one student speak English in my village. Only that's why I want to learn English. Having learning English, I will teach them. So that's why this language
Yeah,
is important language. That's why.
that is a good plan. If you have thought this thing that I have to learn English and after that I will teach the students of my area, that is really good because they will
I
not
have
have to those problems as you have faced.
Yeah, I can teach all students in my village easily because they don't have any knowledge about English. But I have some
Oh,
knowledge. Yeah, I can teach them.
yeah, it will be better. It will be better if you teach them
Yeah.
because it is not their life won't be easy without this language. I think
Yes. 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 Yeah.
you can see
Exactly.
this language that is spoken in the entire world.
Yeah.
And if we go somewhere after living our own state, our own area, at that time we cannot understand the language in which the people speak. Like if we go from here to Gujarat, maybe, or Karnataka, or as you say, Tamil Nadu. So it won't be possible for us to understand them,
Yes.
and we cannot learn their language easily too. We cannot learn Tamil or Malayalam, all these kind of languages so easily.
I am also in Tamil Nadu, but I don't look like Tamil language.
Oh, do you know Tamil language?
No, I don't like Tamil language. I don't know Tamil. That's why
Okay.
I have many face day here in Tamil Nadu. That's why. But a little bit I know English. I can understand English. That's why.
Yeah, that's why you are there. Otherwise, you'd have come back, right?
But I am about I am going to go in my village 30 January. That's why I am very excited to go in my village.
Wow. This
Yeah.
time your imagination will be on the peak. That I will go back to my village, and after that, I will meet all the friends of mine who would be there in the village, right?
Yeah, yeah. One day here, whenever I came in Tamil Nadu, one day equal to 1 years. I feel.
Yeah, yeah. It seems because you do not have the friends. I mean, the way in which you want.
Yes.
That you are not comfortable with the people. They speak in different languages, right?
Uh, yes. I feel very boring, very bad.
Yeah, because you do not have any friend. That's why that kind of friend as you want.
Yes.
Okay, brother. So should we hang up now because we have already talked for a long time,
Yes. Okay.
right?
See you again. Thank you for talking to me. Uh, I
Okay,
am very happy for talking to you. Yes, sir.
okay, me too. Bye bye.
Okay. Okay. Bye. Yasin. See you again.